guys, we're dyeing my hair today. I don't know if this is a good decision or a bad decision, but it's getting done one way or another. Okay. We're just doing the front part. It's the light golden blonde. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes, you know? Yeah. We're only doing the front door, guys, okay? Okay. I'm kind of scared, guys, because I'm about to come, you know? See, it says like from black to brown, but sometimes they be lying.
Yeah, do that part over. My arms are right over.
You see how like it says it's supposed to go from black to this color? If it doesn't really go to that color, I'm gonna be upset because people will just be lying, you know?
I feel the heat coming from your head.
You do?
Mm-hmm. Vanessa, it's lightning.
It is?
Yeah.
I can't tell.
It's a light. Hold on, I'm gonna hold the camera different. Yeah?
You low-key can see it lifting. Low-key. Maybe high-key. Period. Now let's hope my hair don't fall out because I'm scared. I'm not even gonna hold you.
I don't think it's gonna fall out.
I hope not. It's lifting. So it lifted like a lot. My roots are lighter than everything else. My roots is lighter. I can't take it out. I'm gonna just wait for it to do it. But yeah, it's coming out. I love it so far. My hair's not falling out yet. I hope it doesn't at all because yeah. So this is how it's looking. Feel me.
Blonde didn't lift. The blonde didn't lift as much.
Yeah. Like, it's kind of brown. The
Stay
roots
away
are
from
lighter.
jet black.
Literally. Yeah, because I had jet black before. So, yeah. But I think it's pretty good still.
You don't see the end.
I like it. I think it's giving what they said it was supposed to give. So, it's okay. I'm going to come back when we're, like, blow drying and stuff. But I got all type of different angles going on. But blow dry.
The other side looks better.
Hmm?
That side looks my favorite side.
This side?
Mm-hmm.
I love it, actually. I love. You think this side is lighter than this side?
Mm-hmm. That side definitely lighter.
Oh, that's why you love
This is
it.
the side that I didn't want to change right here.
Oh.
That's why I like that side.
So we had some technical
So it looks like that one
difficulty.
leaked.
Like this side right here, it was turning green and shit. It didn't want to fucking die.
Some of the black definitely leaked on that side.
Yeah. But it's okay. I'm okay with it. See, I've never had my hair flat ironed straight before.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it a bad thing or like?
I don't know.
It's
I'm
just
used
weird.
to it being like, you know?
More volume.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, we're gonna cut the ends. I'll be back.
Swish. Okay.
Hi guys, we're back. So I ended up adding some curls earlier. They done drop by now. And this is how it's looking. I really love it. Like, I love it. I love it. I just wanted to do like a new color for the new year because you know we're starting fresh. doing new things, because you know, all that, you know, new year, kind of lit, so don't mind me. But 2022, new year, new goals, you know, gotta start fresh. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy new year.